Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A42 and let me show you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, let's find and open the settings, and here we have to scroll down and find General Management. Now let's tap on Language and Input and tap on Language again. As you can see here, we've got the list of previously added languages. We've got only English right now, so let's tap on Add a Language in order to open the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So as you can see here, you've got a lot of options to choose from. So simply find the language you want to use and tap on it. And let me pick, for example, French. Just tap on it. If you will be able to choose the regions, just tap on the one you want to use, for example this one. And now your device is asking you if you want to set the new one as a default language, so simply tap on Set as Default. As you can see, our newly added language appears on the very top of the list, and from now on the whole menu, the whole system will be in the chosen language. Now let me show you how to change the language if you've got two options to choose from. So let me get back, and if you've got two different languages on the list, you can only tap and hold the one you want to use and drag it to the very first position, just like that. Now let's wait a second and we can simply go back. As you can see, English stays on the very first position, and from now on the whole system will be in the English language. If you want to remove the language, simply tap on Edit and tap on the language you want to remove. Tap on the trash bin icon, click on Remove, and as you can see, it immediately disappears. So actually that's all. This is how to change system language in your Samsung Galaxy A42. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.